People speculated we have between 5 to 7 out there once upon a time, and they're about 14 million years old. That is known as Mount Solitary. It's known as Moonlight, one of the local indigenous languages, meaning solitary giant. These two lines, the base circumference of it is twice the size of that. On the right hand side of that, there's also a little hill, little rock formation that is ruined castle. There used to be a shell mine out there. Had a cable system from 74 to there, about 6 kilometers long, brought all the way from Germany to only be overfilled, and now it sits along the bottom of the valley. We also have coming up on the right hand side is this lone sandstone pillar. That is orphaned rock up until 1974. You can actually get up there, unfortunately a mudslide. Take out access points, supposedly had a 100% success rate with marriage proposals as well. There you go, you're right. Very shortly, we are going to swing through these towers.